Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's December 30th, 2024. I'm out in the back workshop. I just moved the green machine outside for a few minutes. A couple weeks ago, I picked up a couple of new toolboxes or workstations from Harbor Freight. So this is a YUKON 46-inch 9-drawer mobile workbench with solid wood top. And I don't think it comes with the wheels attached. I'll have to see. And here's the specs on it. 10,300 cubic inches, 1,200 pounds, tool storage capacity, smooth ball bearing, drawer slides with secure drawer retention system, 200 pounds, let me see, 200 pound, 7 100 pound rated drawers, heavy duty 5-inch by 2-inch casters, welded steel construction, solid wood surface, keyed locking system, dimensions 48 3/4 by 18 1/4 deep by 37 1/8 inches tall. So I got 2 of these. I'm trying to get all my toolboxes and workstations straight, and so I need to have a sharpening station. My old sharpening station isn't adequate enough, but we'll see. We'll see how these things look. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox them now. I'm going to save the cardboard for sheet mulching because there's minimal ink on these and adhesives. So I'm going to strip off the cardboard, then we'll see what we've got step by step.
I've been holding on too long to things I don't need, broken tools and memories buried like a seed. Dust is settling, shadows growing tall. It's time to clear the corners, it's time to make the call. No more holding on to what's weighing me down. I'm rolling up my sleeves, turning this around. I'm cleaning out the clutter, let the old things go, making space for new dreams, watch my spirit grow. Time to let it all serve its final goodbye. Organized and focused, gonna reach the sky. There's a pile of projects never saw the light, boxes full of someday, gathering dust at night. But I'm taking charge now, got a plan in my hand, taking back my workshop, making my stand. No more excuses, no more wasted space, clearing out the past to find my place. I'm cleaning out the clutter, let the old things go, making space for new dreams, watch my spirit grow. Time to let it all serve its final goodbye. Organized and focused, gonna reach the sky. Every hammer, every nail tells a story of its own. But some of these old stories I've outgrown. I'll keep what truly matters, let the rest fade away. In this workshop of my life, I'm building brighter days. I'm cleaning out the clutter, let the old things go, making space for new dreams, watch my spirit grow. Time to let it all serve its final goodbye. Organized and focused, gonna reach the sky. Now the shelves are clearer and the floor can breathe. With every step I'm taking, I feel so free. This workshop's more than wood and steel, it's my peace of mind. mirror shows a face a little older now. Lines tell the story of where and how. I've walked the roads, I've paid my dues. Now I'm searching for the path I choose. The seasons keep on turning, time won't wait. I'm learning to embrace this twist of fate. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, letting go of what was, setting my spirit free. Life's a journey, not a race to run. It's time to savor the rise of the sun. There's wisdom in these hands, strength in my soul. Dreams I've carried are starting to unfold. I'm building a life that fits who I've become, not afraid to rewrite where I'm from. The winds of change are blowing through my door. I'm not who I was, I'm something more. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, letting go of what was, setting my spirit free. Life's a journey, not a race to run. It's time to savor the rise of the sun. There's a fire in my heart that still burns bright. A voice inside says it's gonna be alright. The past was the prologue, the best yet to come. I'm charting new horizons under the same old sun. I'm getting ready for the next phase of me, opening doors to possibility. Life's a canvas, I've got colors to choose. Every step forward, I've got nothing to lose. So here I stand with the future in sight, chasing the stars in the quiet of the night. I'm getting older, but I'm learning to see this is the next phase, the best of me.
Okay, so I got the blue one put back together. Went together rather nicely. There's 11 millimeter bolts that hold the casters on. There's 2 swivel, 2 stationary. The sliders seem to work pretty well. The bolts that hold the handle on are 10 millimeter bolts. The whole locking mechanism locks all the drawers. They have some nice little drawer liners in here as well. I think that this is at a good height for a workstation. So I think this will work out nicely. Because here I am, this is about just below my waist level, so I can have a chainsaw sharpener on here or my knife sharpener on here, and then have all the accessories in the toolboxes. I'm just trying to get all my workstations put together nice. Now this is okay, this piece of wood here on the top. I may end up putting another board on top of this that I'll end up bolting equipment to, and just use some adhesive to hold this on, hold the top that I put on it down to this. I'm thinking that's what I'll do. I'll have to decide. It's a shame the red one came, and you can see where it's damaged here, and you could see now that you look at the outside of the box, or right here is the spot. So this was damaged right here, which corresponds with that spot right there. So I'll end up returning this one, I think today. while the weather's nice. So that's it. I think this YUKON workbench little toolbox can facilitate some of the functions that we need to have here in the shop. Just trying to get everything organized. I've got too many tools, too many things that I do that are separate from one another, and it'd be nice to have a station where I can just go to and do the functions that I need to do instead of digging through the rest of my tools to dig them out. So the YUKON workbench, little tool cabinet in a sense. Not heavy duty, not as well built as the US General. And US General isn't their top of the line at Harbor Freight. But as far as I'm concerned, those are really sturdy, nice heavy duty toolboxes that work fantastic. I think their Icon ones are their gold standard there at Harbor Freight. But the US General work great. Would I get a whole bunch of these YUKONs for toolboxes and all? I don't think so. They just aren't as sturdy, and I've got lots of very heavy tools that I've got to carry around. But for a nice little workstation like this, I think it's going to work out great. So that's it for today's video, folks. Just a review of the YUKON workbench cabinet here, and that's it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And I hope you folks stay safe and have a good day. Bye-bye now.